This video is my demonstration of the questions project for CS50 AI. I began with a text file, samples.txt, which I display here, showing a series of questions that I will use as input to the questions Python script. Those questions will be provided to the script using a bash shell script that iterates through various line numbers in the file, incrementing the line numbers by 2, so that will give me every other line in the samples.txt file, which I cut out using the sed program, the stream editor program in Linux. I'll output each line to a sample.txt file, echo that file to the screen, and then provide that text file to the Python script. And in each case, I will use the corpus provided in the project description without any additions or deletions. So when I run that script, I'll see the corpus being loaded and the question provided to the script. The first 3 questions are those provided in the project description. The first question, what are the types of supervised learning? And the answer is types of supervised learning algorithms include active learning, classification, and regression. So that makes it look like the algorithm is very intelligent. And then the next 2 questions similarly give very satisfactory results. When was Python 3.0 released? Python 3.0 was released on 3 December 2008. How do neurons connect in a neural network? Neurons of one layer connect only to neurons of the immediately preceding and immediately following layers. So each of these 3 questions gives the expected answer according to the project description, but I did find that these questions seem to be very contrived in order to get the desired answer. I propose the question, what is a deterministic universe, and actually get a pretty good answer, though in this case the sentence algorithm identifies I period, E period as the end of a sentence, which of course it isn't. Then I tried to get a sentence describing the first 2 laws of error, and I got not the sentence I expected from the probability.txt file. I tried to get more specific as far as who proposed the first 2 laws of errors, hoping to get the sentence that described who proposed them, and instead I got an entirely different sentence from the artificial intelligence text file rather than the probability text file, and so never was able to actually get the answer I wanted. This next 3 questions show how I was able to eventually get the sentence I wanted by knowing what I needed. What was the method of least squares? When was the method of least squares developed is what I wanted to know, and I got a different sentence out of the probability text file. Then I said who introduced it, and I still wasn't able to get the sentence. Then I said when did Legendre develop the method of least squares, and because Legendre is a pretty specific word, I was able to actually get the sentence I wanted, but again very contrived and showing the limitations of this relatively simple algorithm. This concludes my demonstration of the project.